Your cold wet nose, your big brown eyes. You were just a few months old when you came into our lives, became part of our family, part of our home. And with you in my darkest time, I could never be alone. My dog, my dog, my dog, you are my dog. Your excitement when I came through the door, you barked and jumped at me. Your affection never bounded for all our family. Your wet licks on my skin, sitting with us watching TV, walks in a cold winter's night, with you in peace and harmony. My dog, my dog, my dog, my dog, my children's loyal friend, a comfort in so many ways, running free in the park in the sunshine on long hot summer's days. We played so many games of sticks and bring back the ball. And when our fun was over, you'd come back to my whistling call. My dog, my dog, my dog, you are my dog. You sit there in your kitchen basket, in comfort fast asleep, guarded us from danger through the darkness of the night, rolling over on your back, legs in the air, wrapped with attention at some noise none of us could hear. My dog, my dog, my dog, you're my dog. With time you grew old and frail, but your love it never died. Now you've left us for another place, it's harder to get by. I wish you were here again, you'd bark and jump on me, and I'd stroke you in my lap again, like the friends we'll always be. I'd feel your floppy ears in my hand, see your loyal caring eyes, and we would walk the night again under those cold winter skies. My